We now return you to the bolts. YouTubers say you shouldn't date YouTubers because they get so busy. I beg to differ. We have time for ourselves. But sometimes we do struggle in our YouTube world. Hey, Thomas O'Malley. No, Thomas O'Malley. What's wrong? I'm stuck on my song parody for 22. Let's hear it. I'm sick of guys that are always tweeting about dumb stuff. Are broken and bleeding. Don't worry, you got this. Allie, did you use my headphones? I don't know. These are mine. They say MB on it. I'm sorry. It's okay. They look identical. It's cool. It's cool. But we always seem to make up. So yeah, guys, this was my skit, The Bolts. Be sure to give a like, comment, subscribe.